Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going back to cooking again. And today we are going to be making chocolate crackers. Here is the instructions. So first we need 4 cups of the chocolate cocoa pops, and then we need 1 cup of icing sugar, and then we'll do the rest. Now we're still getting ready for it. I'll make you do the TikTok. Can you pause me so? Because how do you do it for the TikTok? Mama, where do we put it? Mama, where do you put it? So first we need 4 cups of chocolate rice bubbles. So here's 1 cup. 2. 3. And 4. After 4 cups, now we need 1 cup of icing sugar. Okay. So we got, in here we got 4 cups. Now we need 1 cup of, icing sugar. So here's icing sugar. So 1 cup of icing sugar. So 4 cups now, 1 cup of icing sugar is coming up. So now here's the icing sugar, and that's 1 cup. This is like half a cup, and another half. Now we need 1 cup of desiccated coconut. So now we need 1 cup of this. 1 cup of this desiccated coconut. Half a cup, and 1 more cup. A cup of designated coconut. Now we need 250 grams of cocoa. The cocoa looks like this, but we got another one to melt right now. So this is the unmelted cocoa, and this is the melted cocoa coming. So this is what it looks like. White stuff and then brown stuff.
This might be more than much as 4 for you.
So now we're gonna pour the cocoa.
And then you keep mixing up it. Ready?
So now we're scooping it in here. Okay. And we're not looking at the next TikTok. Okay. And I had a cookie. Bye guys. Hey guys, we're back with these again, and these are the finished products. So let's try them. I'm taking it out, which I already did before. It's actually really good. What I already knew. Okay. That's so good. It looks pretty easy to make, but it tastes really good.
Is that your dinner?
This is not our dinner, we're gonna have something for dinner. Have we have pizza for dinner? Oh! He's still having it a bit randomly, just having it there. I don't know, it's a bit random. So, bye, I'm just gonna. Please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell.